everybody, it's Miss Lisa, and for today's STEAM experiment, we're going to be making a version of a lava lamp. So to do this, you will need 2 clear glasses or jars. You'll need some water, food coloring, some vegetable oil, and we're going to make it 2 different ways. So we're going to use Alka-Seltzer in one of our lava lamps and regular table salt in the other, and see which one we like best. So as you can see, I've already got 2 glasses prepared here. I put pink food coloring in one and green in the other. So the next step, we're going to add vegetable oil. And we're going to see how the vegetable oil and water mix together. So do you think that the vegetable oil will sink to the bottom or float on top of the water? Let's see. Add some in. Give it a minute. I don't know if you can see it really good, but the vegetable oil is floating on top of the water because it's less dense than the water. So now we're going to see what happens when we add the Alka-Seltzer. Alka-Seltzer fizzes, so it's going to release gases. We probably don't need a whole tablet. We'll start with just maybe a quarter of a tablet, and we'll drop it in. It's going to sink down to the bottom and start fizzing. Now it took some oil with it on its way down, and it releases gas, and the oil is coming back up to the top. Let's drop another little one in there. So you get that cool lava look. And it'll keep going as long as you keep adding your Alka-Seltzer to it. Just drop a little bit more in there. Okay, another way you can do this if you don't have Alka-Seltzer at home is just regular table salt. And it works kind of the same way. The salt, well, we have to add our oil first. Add our oil to the green one. Okay, the salt is heavy, so it's going to sink down to the bottom. It's going to take some of that oil with it. And then down at the bottom, the salt's going to dissolve in the water, and the oil is going to travel back up to the top. So let's see how this one works. Dump some salt in there. And wait a minute. Oh, can you see them coming up? I saw a bubble. Yeah, it's slower than the Alka-Seltzer. It's not releasing as much gas, but it's still a pretty cool effect. So these are 2 different ways you can make a lava lamp at home, and this was just a demonstration. If you wanted to turn this into an experiment, you could change it up and try to answer questions like, what would happen if I used a different type of oil than vegetable oil? Or what if I didn't use table salt? What if I used sugar instead? How long will it keep going if I keep adding salt? Will the effect keep going? Let's see. So you guys can have fun with this at home and experiment, and you get a really cool effect with it. And we will see you guys next week. Bye.